Hi guys, I'm going to show you a spirit guide message spread. How do you connect to your spirit guides using 6 cards? The first card will show you your guide. The second card will show you a card that will help you better connect with your guide. And the third card will show you what your guide wants to know. The fourth card will show you the mission of the spirit guide in helping you. The fifth and sixth card, it shows what has been hidden from you until now and what sign the spirit guide will use to get your attention. So I'm going to shuffle 6 cards out for helping you connect with your spirit guide. Your guide is 7 of Cups. What will help you connect better with your guide? It is 2 of Wands. What your guide wants you to know. What your spirit guide wants you to know. And the mission in helping you. This Page of Wands, that is what the spirit guide wants you to know. Page of Wands. Your spirit guide is 7 of Cups, which is showing that when you are given lot of options to choose from in your life, that is what your spirit guide is. When you are in crossroads, that is the place where you have to choose several options. That is nothing but the 7 of Cups. So when you are at crossroads in life and you are given many options to choose from, which is nothing but 7 of Cups, and that is the point when you are meeting your spirit guide. So they are coming here to help you. And what will help you connect better with your guide is 2 of Wands. When you 2 of Wands is a card of divination. When you want to connect with your guides, the best thing to do is to use a divination tool like tarot or crystal. 2 of Wands is nothing but divination. When you meet crossroads in your life and you have several options to choose from, your spirit guide comes and help you. And when you want to help in connecting with your spirit guide, you need to go for any sort of divination. That is what these cards say. And what your guide wants you to know is Page of Wands. Page of Swords. Page of Swords is something like when you have, it is like in a typical Rider-Waite tarot deck, what Page of Swords does is, it will you will retain so much of information onto yourself and not pull back. So your spirit guide wants you to know that when you hold so much of information onto yourself and doesn't pull back, you will not be meeting a spirit guide. What you need to do is to go for several options in life, which will give you 7 of Cups, which will help you choose from one of the several options. That is when you meet your spirit guide, and the spirit guide will help you when you are in crossroads. And in order to better connect with your spirit guide, what you need is 2 of Wands, which is divination, which will help you connect with your spirit guides better. Now, what is their mission in helping you? What is the spirit guide? What is the spirit guide mission in helping you? It is King of Swords. The spirit guide mission is in helping you is King of Swords. So King of Swords is a king who doesn't care others, who will directly take orders for himself, and this is from being at a crossroads in life, which is the Seven of Cups. Once you choose your spirit guides, you will be able to become a King of Swords, who will be knowing very astutely and proud what he needs to do, and he can live like a king once he connects to his spirit guides. What has been hidden from you until now? Spirit, show me a card to reveal what has been hidden from you until now. This is Two of Pentacles. What has been hidden from you until now is Two of Pentacles. So whenever you juggle with options in life, and Two of Pentacles is a card where you will be juggling with a couple of options in life. That is what has been hidden you until now. When you meet Two of Pentacles, that is something that has been hidden from you until now. You have been kept juggling in your life for several years or months, because this spirit guide was trying to come to you when you are at crossroads, and they will try to help you convert from your page of swords into King of Swords. And you are being kept juggling in life with different options. That was the secret that has been hiding from you until now. What sign your spirit guide used to get your attention? That is Two of Cups. Suppose you are sharing a project with someone. It's Two of Cups is a soulmate relationship. It could be a brother-sister relationship. It could be a career partner. It could be a work relationship. It could be something symbolizes. This is nothing but a sign that will help you get your attention. Spirit guide is trying to get your attention by partnering with someone that you like or you may have a tie-up with. That is the sign that spirit guide is showing you to get your attention, which is Two of Cups. So I think this is connecting to spirit guide message spread. Hope everybody liked it. Hi guys, I am going to take a soul gifts spread by which you can get to know about your psychic abilities more. I am going to take a 4-card pull to know more about your psychic gifts and abilities, your soul gifts basically. The first card I'll show is how can I enhance my psychic abilities. That is Five of Cups. Five of Cups is a typical card in Rider-Waite, which might represent 3 cups falling down and 2 cups behind. Five of Cups is something where you have a lost love feeling or something like that, and you divert your attention from where love has lost. You should divert your attention from the love lost towards love that is going to come in. I mean, you should focus on the 2 cups that is behind rather than the 3 cups that is in front of you. So the Five of Cups means you can enhance your psychic abilities by drawing your attention into those cups that are behind you rather than focusing on those cups that are fallen down. That is what Five of Cups mean in Rider-Waite tarot. The same thing applies here also. Now I am asking the spirit to help you take a card to represent the psychic gift that I have. Spirit, show me a card. Okay, Six of Swords. The psychic gift that I have is Six of Swords. If you feel that you are unable to move away from this Five of Cups stage towards Six of Swords. Six of Swords is forward and steady movement, continuous movement forward. Five of Cups is a stage where you will be grubbing on something that has gone without focusing on the cups that are behind you, which is full. So when you break this pattern, you can enhance your psychic abilities when you come out of this broken heart mentality towards a forward movement, which is Six of Swords. So if you are able to break through from focusing on what is not there towards focusing on what is there, then you will be able to go for a steady movement, and that is the psychic gift that you might have. So you might have to see what are the psychic gifts that will help you in going forward. So you might be having a skill like clairaudience or clairvoyance or clairsentience. It could be astral travel, teleporting, telepathy, anything. You might have to go in detail to understand what will help you move away from a broken heart situation to Six of Swords, which is forward and steady continuous movement. So there will be a psychic gift that will be hidden with you, which will help you move forward in life. Now I will take another card to show me something that I should further explore. That is Four of Pentacles. When you Four of Pentacles is something like you are holding on to something without leaving it or letting it out free. Say it is, say for example, money. You are holding on to whatever you have without letting it out to others, or putting it on something. So this is something you should further. Whenever you spirit want to communicate that, this is something that you should further explore. So whenever you are holding on to something without coming outside of the situation, then this is something that you should further explore. That is what spirit is trying to communicate to you. When you further explore the options you have, you will be able to go forward in a steady and continuous movement, which is Six of Swords, and that can happen only when you identify the gift that you have. That is the last card, which will help you connect to the gift that you might have. So I am asking the spirit to show you how I can learn to follow my intuition. I am going to pull a last card to help me show how can I learn to follow my intuition. That is Four of Wands. Four of Wands is a union card. It's like a happy home, family, settled environment. So if you want to follow your intuition, then you should be in this state. Whether it is a dream state or a real state, I don't know. But if you want to follow your intuition will open you up to your psychic abilities, your clair skills, your clairvoyance, claircognizance, clairsentience, clairaudience, clairgustance, clairalience. All your clair skills is linked to your state of mind. If you are in a happy state of mind, and if you are living in a happy home, family kind of environment, try to be in that environment to help you learn to follow your intuition. If you follow your intuition, then you will be able to break this Four of Pentacles. You are holding on to something more to a forward and continuous steady progress, which is the Six of Swords, and that is when you will be able to explore the psychic gift that you might have. I hope you enjoyed the psychic gift reading today.